Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Assess the frame for wood, gesso, metal, and loose joints. Start by inspecting corners, surface details, and any applied gilding. Note gaps, rot, or brittle ornament. Remove glass and backing carefully and label parts. Photograph each step so reassembly matches original placement. Measure and record frame dimensions, height, width, and mat depth to 1/8 inch so replacement glass or mats fit precisely. Work on a clean, flat workspace with soft padding to prevent new scratches or dents while you plan repairs. Fix loose joints with 1/4 inch bead of wood glue and a clamp for 30 minutes to ensure tight seams. Remove excess glue after curing. For missing ornament or deep scratches, use epoxy or carved wood inserts, then fill gouges with tinted wood filler matching the stain and texture. Sand with 120 then 220 grit sandpaper, wiping dust with a damp cloth between grits to create a smooth, uniform surface. Use a small file for fine details and test fit trims before finishing. Prime with shellac or acrylic primer for 2 coats, sanding lightly between coats to seal tannins and create adhesion. Choose paint, stain, or gold leaf depending on the original style. Test color on a scrap before committing. Paint or stain in thin layers. Use a 1-inch sash brush or foam for even coverage and avoid runs by brushing with the grain when possible. Reinstall glass and backing. Use glazier points and 0.25 inches felt for protection. Then hang with hardware rated to at least twice the frame weight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.